Chef Michael Symon, I am glad you know all the cops in Cleveland.
Come on, dude, I hit that whole shot, had it sideways.
Oh, you're killing me. All right, where are we?
We're in Detroit, Shoreway neighborhood of Cleveland, Ohio. About 500 feet from the lake.
Huh, that's why it's so
Feel the
warm.
breeze?
Yeah.
Really talented young chef here. He is killing it with like chefed up diner food.
Chefed up diner food on Triple D? Perfect. This is good company. Pulled mushroom in the window, runner.
I just can't say enough about how good this place is.
Blows your taste buds out of the water.
And our pecorino wings.
I like anything that Brett makes.
Oh, you knew him before he got here.
I'll follow him anywhere.
That's because chef and owner Brett Sawyer has built a reputation at other joints around town and brought those culinary skills to this concept.
We took all of the simple food of a diner and made it much more difficult.
Just chef the entire thing. Favorite thing on the menu?
Surf and turf.
We got 2 surf and turfs ready.
It's a shaved steak sandwich. The au jus has the lobster flavor into it.
I could have sworn that there was lobster on the sandwich. I kept looking for the lobster.
What are we into next?
Our surf and turf. We start with the certified Angus beef tri-tip.
I see the turf, but where's the surf?
We serve it with a lobster beef au jus.
And I'm the crazy one.
Kosher salt, black pepper, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, dry rosemary.
How long is it gonna sit on there?
20, 30 minutes. Cook that in our oven, 8 minutes at 500 degrees. Then we turn it down to 350 degrees and cook it for an hour. Chill it, slice it on our deli slicer for service.
Okay, chef.
Now we're gonna make our duxelle, nice fatty mushroom spread.
You don't get to say nice fatty mushroom spread very often, do you? It just has a ring to it.
Butter, add our shallots, our garlic, sun-dried tomatoes,
Sun-dried tomatoes actually break it up a little bit.
Yeah, nice little acidic bite in there.
tarragon, parsley, mushrooms. We do creminis, salt, white vinegar, red wine. Cook for about hour and a half.
This is the time when we're gonna see the lobster shells come out, huh?
Yes.
I am dying to see this.
We're gonna start with the beef bones. We rub these with tomato paste.
I love that little trick.
In the oven,
350.
don't roast.
Bones in the pot. Our lobster bodies.
This is the weirdest thing I've seen.
Black peppercorns, bay leaf.
Water.
We bring it up to a boil, turn it down to a simmer, and let it reduce overnight.
In the warehouse of fun.
So now we're gonna make our bearnaise sauce. Start with our tarragon champagne vinegar reduction.
Okay.
Champagne vinegar, shallots, tarragon, bring it up to a boil, hit it on simmer.
And let this reduce down, strain it out.
Whole eggs, some more yolks, salt, Calabrian chilies, our tarragon reduction. Then we're gonna use our stem blender. And then we have our melted butter, give that slow drizzle.
Bearnaise is done.
Time to build it.
Fantastic.
Favorite part of the day.
Milk bun,
Ooh.
very generous with the duxelle.
Well, you let that reduce.
Tri-tip, red onions, our tarragon chili bearnaise. Top it off.
The Pirates of the Caribbean sword to cut it with. And then here comes the lobster beef jus. I can't wait for this one. Whoa.
The sandwich is spectacular
By
before
itself.
you dip
Right,
it.
Right. The beef flavors through the roof.
Right.
That is crazy.
The lobster really comes out. I cannot believe how much lobster flavor's in there. It is full-on surf and turf.
One of the most whacked out thing I've ever seen on Triple D. Amen, dude.
Yeah,
Thanks,
2
Jeff.
for 2, brother.
Plating surf and turf.
It's a really good cut of beef, and it's so tender.
The au jus sauce is the die for.
It's the most unique sandwich.